Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your live subscriber count on YouTube. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Now, your live subscriber count updates in real time. So when someone subscribes or unsubscribes, the number changes instantly. It's especially fun to watch when you're getting close to a milestone. To get started, go to the top right corner of YouTube and click on your profile icon. If you're signed into multiple accounts, you can switch to the correct one by selecting Switch Account. Once you're on the right channel, click on YouTube Studio. Inside the studio, look for the Channel Analytics section. It's right in the middle of the dashboard. From there, head over to the right-hand side, and you'll see an option that says See Live Count. Click on that, and you'll be able to watch your subscriber count update in real time. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more quick tutorials.